Securing a generation license is a critical step that gives the company providing emergency electricity a legal permit to do so. For preferred bidder Karpowership, obtaining the licenses will be one less hurdle for them to sign off on the 200 billion rand deal that will see them supply 1,220 megawatts of electricity to the national grid over 20 years. But their bid has not been without any opposition.
These projects have not yet achieved financial closure as required. However, the cart is put before the horse, and Karpowership has now approached Nersa for generation licenses, while certain processes and authorizations have not yet been completed. There's also pending litigation against Karpowership relating to the procurement irregularities during the tender process.
The emergency power supply program is aimed at generating close to 2,000 megawatts of electricity to the national grid. Karpowership would have produced the lion's share of this, with the rest made up of a combination of wind, solar, battery, and diesel or gas alternatives. Coastal businesses in favor of Karpowership's bid have warned that delaying the project is going to have a negative impact on their businesses.
The abstract is small business are key drivers in creating employment. That statement should be practiced and should be worked along with, realizing that the importance of a small business and participation in any economic sphere gives hope that we will together address the unemployment rate. So, with the current status and the situation of the energy space, we see Karpowership as the solution to that problem.
The public hearings to be held this week will allow the energy regulator to hear a range of views on the matter. But the clock is ticking on the project, as the Energy Department has set a deadline of September for all the bidding companies to make their final submissions. Meanwhile, the Department of Forestry, Fisheries and Environment has acknowledged Karpowership's formal appeals on their decision to reject its environmental impact assessment. The department is to make a decision on this by October. Nozintombi Mia, SABC News.